Today's video is sponsored by Cricut, and I'm going to be sharing with you a little later in the video how I made some custom wedding glasses for one of my friends. All right, can you hold your water? We have full hands. Let's go. I can help you. Okay.
I want to hold this.
Okay.
And your mom.
Oh my God, I have so many snacks.
And your mom and this too.
Hey guys, welcome back. We are doing a little adventure right now because we're actually supposed to get a snowstorm tonight, so we'll probably be home tomorrow for the entire day. So Sydney wants to go to the trampoline park. She got a gift card for her birthday, and so we are gonna go ahead and do that today. I had some work to do this morning. And then I actually had like a mommy's night out last night with one of Sydney's friends' moms. We went out to dinner, and Sydney and her friend had a play date at their house. And so that was just so nice to just get out and have a moment. And then Sydney had a blast as well with her friend. So yeah, that's what we are doing. We're doing something for Sydney, and then I also have to run an errand to get something for another video that I'm filming. We will see where the day takes us. Feeling so much better. I wasn't feeling horrible, but you know when you have like a lingering cold and you know you're just not 100%? I ended up sleeping it off, and then that's why you guys had a video on Wednesday instead of Tuesday. I ended up like sleeping it off and woke up feeling totally fine. So thank goodness. Now we are ready to have a good school break. We're already on Wednesday, and it feels like it's going by so fast. So we have to do all the fun things, and then tomorrow play in the snow.
I have to tell you.
Go ahead, girl.
Much fun.
Are you gonna have so much fun?
Yeah, and guess what, guys? If you be there, it will be so much fun if you go there. I promise.
Aww. You think they should go?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, we're going to Urban Air. So if you have an Urban Air near you, I don't even know if it's just like a East Coast thing or if they're everywhere. I'm sure you guys have trampoline parks where you are. But the last time we went, I think it was Sydney's 5th birthday when I did her Yes Day. I think that might have been the last time that we went. Maybe we went after that, but either way, she's super pumped. And apparently they have newer exhibits there, so she'll see newer newer things to play in. And although she might not be tall enough to do, there's like a ropes course and harness flying thing. I don't know if she's tall enough to do that yet, so we'll see. We'll just go have fun. The trampoline park was insanely busy, of course, at school vacation, which I know actually a lot of you do not have a your schools do not have a February break. Our spring break is kind of split into two. We have a February break and we have an April break. So that's just how we do it here. So February vacation, and the day before a supposed huge snowstorm. So it was predicted to be like 8 to 12 inches or something like that. It's supposed to be this massive thing. So there were yellow school buses of children, there were Boys and Girls Club vans of children, and it was just insane. It just wasn't quite what we are used to when we go there. She had to wait in line to use specific trampolines and specific, you know, like just elements of the thing. She wasn't tall enough to do one of the courses, and then the warrior course, I just don't think we're there yet. So we just did everything else, but she still had a blast, and we spent a couple of hours there. And then, yeah, so as far as the snow goes, we only got a few inches, really nothing. I mean, enough to go sledding. Hopefully we're gonna go sledding today, but really nothing major at all. So, or nothing that we're not used to. It really has hardly snowed this winter here in Maine, where I live. Barely, you know, I feel like it's way less than what we usually would get. But anyway, that is that. We definitely had a blast at the trampoline park, and had a blast with our friend the other day, and then we played outside. So I want to go ahead and make, one of my friends is getting married this summer, and she's having her like bridal shower, bachelorette thing in a couple of months. So I'm trying to think ahead of what I want to do for her. I think I want to make a basket of items, you know, like have it just be like a little basket situation. So I went, after the trampoline park, went to Home Goods. So I went ahead and I found these giant wine glasses, and I thought it would be really nice to make custom like wedding glasses for her bridal shower, or for as like a wedding gift or something. I don't know, just something personalized for her, and I thought that would be fun. So I have partnered with Cricut on today's video to share with you guys my project of making the wine glasses. I am not an artsy person at all. I'm not gifted and talented in that area of expertise. So if I can do this in like 10 minutes, then you can totally do it. It is so easy to do. Like I said, if I can do it, you can do it. I will have a link down below where you guys can go ahead and purchase your Cricut products or materials. Anything that I use in this video, you will see in my link as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make those custom glasses, and then we're gonna go outside, because my child has been so understanding of me working during her vacation. So if you haven't seen my Cricut machine before, I have the Cricut Joy. What I love about this one is that it's insanely easy to set up. You just plug it in, connect your Bluetooth to it on your smartphone, and you are pretty much ready to go. And you can also bring it with you since it is smaller and more super portable. I am using the Smart Vinyl Permanent in white. I am also using the transfer tape. These are my two favorite items of my Cricut machine, because they are so easy to use as labels, and you can do so many different projects with them. And also this little pick that came with my Cricut Joy set, so that I can go ahead and remove the pieces of vinyl that I am not using for the project. So for my project, I am using the Cricut Design Space app, which is a free software that you can go ahead and create your labels and custom projects with. So what I do is just I'm typing in wifey and hubby. I thought it was just kitschy, cute, a little wedding gift. And then I went ahead and played around with their free fonts, and just to see what I liked. And within the design space, you can see exactly the measurements of your word that you're about to print out. And so I just wanted to make sure I measured the wine glass, made sure that the words would fit perfectly how I would like, going vertically on the wine glass. And then there are also many different elements in design space that you can play around with different fonts, different letter spacings and curvature and whatnot. And when you're satisfied with your design design, you just have to click a few different buttons and it will tell you how much material you're going to need to load into your Cricut machine. And then after that, all you do is click go, and then the Cricut machine cuts your design out specifically for you. And then all I did was replace the word wifey with hubby so that I made sure I had the same measurements and font, and so that they looked like a cohesive set. And my Cricut Joy just cut these out within just a few seconds. And I went ahead and removed the vinyl that I wasn't going to use and then placed my transfer tape on top of the design that was left. And so the transfer tape makes it so that anyone can do this. At first, before I knew how to use any of the Cricut machines, I was like, how do people get it so straight and beautiful looking? This transfer tape has a grid on it, and so you can make sure your design is nice and straight and perfect looking. And then I went ahead and just placed this on the wine glass and pressed it down, and so that everything was, touching the wine glass and secure. And then I slowly peeled off the transfer tape to reveal my final project. I feel like this set looks like such good quality, and I definitely paid a whole lot less by buying the wine glasses separately and making it by myself at home with my Cricut machine than I would have if I had purchased this set on a shop or store. So if I can do it, you can do it. These projects, you can make these custom projects in like 10 minutes or less. And there are endless opportunities with these Cricut machines. So again, I will have my custom link down in the description box below. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me.
I love you.
Okay, so now I officially have a couple of hours of daylight left. So Sydney and I are just gonna be playing outside. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so happy with how the glasses came out. I'm debating on if I wanna put the date of their their anniversary date on there or not. But we will see. For privacy reasons, just keeping that to myself. But yeah, so endless options. I'm very happy with the way that they turned out, and I hope they like them as well. So yeah, we're gonna go outside. We're gonna go play in the snow and have fun, but I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye. Move your arms up more. Yeah. There you go. Here, let's see it. Get up. No?